Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices, the smart board and your phone or laptop. Enable Bluetooth on the board in Settings and toggle Discoverable for a short window so pairing can occur. This reduces interference. On your device, turn Bluetooth on and disable any current audio connections so a clean handshake can happen. Make sure you're within 310 meters and close apps that might auto-connect. Once ready, move directly to scanning for the board. This avoids wasted time and missed pairing windows. You now perform the pairing. Open Bluetooth settings and scan. Select the board's name matching the model ID. When a PIN or confirmation code appears, compare it on both screens and approve to ensure a secure connection. If prompted, grant permissions for audio, input, or screen sharing. These tell the board what services to enable. If you need screen casting, choose the display or mirrorcast profile, otherwise enable only audio to conserve bandwidth. Once paired, the devices exchange keys and establish trust so connections persist. You finish by validating functionality. Play audio, try touch input, or start screen casting to confirm everything works. If the connection fails, reboot both devices and remove the pairing entry, then repair. This clears cached errors. Make sure drivers and firmware are current and check for interference from Wi-Fi or USB 3.0 devices. Move closer or change channels if needed. One key tip: when you see repeated failures, confirm the board and device support the same Bluetooth profiles. Mismatched profiles block expected features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.